Oh, okay.
Is it playing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, so we're gonna blow up an egg.
10 or 20. Let's go with 10.
15.
Put it in for 15 seconds. Is that enough? Do I have to touch it?
What are you doing?
Someone told me if you touch it, it pulls up. Okay, we'll put it in for longer. 30 seconds. I know this one.
Cleaning it up, Keely.
I know. Does it look like it's getting bigger?
No.
No.
What?
I'm getting really disappointed if it doesn't work. Me too. We'd have to try another egg, 'cause I know it does work. It has to.
This one's just effective.
Yeah, maybe. How long do you have to stick it in there for?
I don't know. You're the one that said you did this before.
Try a minute.
I have done this before.
Kelly,
Well,
try.
how long did you put it in for?
I don't remember.
Try a minute.
Let's see a quick little experiment. That was a video. Right there.
Hi.
Don't burn the French toast, Kaylee.
I'm not. It's stuck together.
Boy, did you pop.
Yeah, yeah.
That was creepy.
I didn't.
I did. It went.